Hi, so now I'm gonna show you how to transform static frame to an auto-resizable frame using the auto layout feature. With the auto layout, buttons can resize with the text, lists can rearrange themselves when items are moving around, and elements can be nested to create complex interfaces that respond to their content. So let's go to our example file and see some elements using the auto layout feature. So first we have a button with an auto layout feature. So for example, if we change its text, the button will resize accordingly. If we add some text, it will resize again. We can rearrange inside the frame our elements without any need to resize anything. We can readjust items inside list, or we can create complex layouts like pricing or tables, more complex lists, or full product elements. So here we can change the position of my cards or full blocks row by row. Okay, the auto layout feature is pretty strong to create modelable layouts. So let's go and create in our new project file a button using the auto layout feature. So let's pick the frame tool, click and drag to draw a frame. Next, pick the text tool and adjust our button text to center. Let's change a little bit my button size and center again vertically and horizontally. So here, let's change first the frame name to button, and to change the frame from a simple frame to an auto layout frame, let's go to auto layout here in the sidebar and hit this plus icon. So here, if we change the text, if we add some text, the auto layout or the button frame will change accordingly to its content. We remove, it will also follow its content width. Now let's add, for example, an icon to our button. So let's pick the place image tool and select in our Figma course icons and pick the icon, click to add, and click and drag inside our button our icon. So without resizing our frame, our icon will fit in its place. Let's hit K to pick the scale tool and resize our icon inside. Let's go to the move tool. Now we can adjust the position of my elements, for example, to the center using the alignment tool of the auto layout. We can change the direction from horizontal direction to vertical direction. We can change the space between elements. So this is the gap between those two elements. Can make it again to horizontal direction. We can adjust the horizontal padding and the vertical padding, and we can adjust padding one side at a time, bottom, left or right, top and left. Yeah, so now I encourage you to try this on your own so that you can practice, experiment and get comfortable with the auto layout feature. I will see you in the next lesson.